will talk about how can you in a background image on your Pocket uh, on your Pocket option app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on theme here. When you just click on theme, so when you click on theme, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You come here to background image, click in this sign. So like you see this color show for us, that's mean here background image enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.